Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to Nailmas Day 22. Today I'm actually doing a guest blog post on the Heroine NYC blog, so you might want to check that out if you want a more pictorial based version of this tutorial. Today I am using one of their polishes and I'm creating a super simple kind of minimalistic Christmas design. And I'm doing it in a bit more of a girly theme, color scheme, I guess you could say. I've started off with their shade Sugar Spun, which is one of probably my favorite pink polish, maybe in general. Like, it's just such a good cream, covers perfectly in 2 coats, and you can just do art on top of it and it's great. So I did 2 coats of that, cleaned up around the edges with that silicone tool that I have linked down in the description box below, and I absolutely love it. I've let that dry, and then I'm using a medium-sized dotting tool, and I'm going to put 3 red dots into the corner of my nail. You can make them touch if you want, or you don't have to. It's kind of up to you, but these are going to be the berries for our holly. And of course, you can change up the size of the dots if you want them smaller or bigger. Go for it. I did use acrylic paint for all of the art aspect of this nail just to make it easier to work with. I then used a What's Up Nails Dance 24 brush to create the little holly leaf. So I kind of start with like a little triangle and then I put like a diamond on top of it. And that is what kind of creates the leaf. So you can kind of see this side better when I do it. So you create a little triangle, you start to fill it in, and then you kind of pull it in a little bit on each side, and then you create a point at the other side, and then you fill it all in for sure. And that is what kind of gives you your full holly leaf. Now, if you wanted to, you could add some like line details to it if you wanted, but I decided to keep this design super simple and just do a 1-tone leaf rather than a 2-tone leaf. And I do really like how that came out. I used the same Craft Smart olive green acrylic paint from yesterday. And then whenever the red berries were dried, I went ahead and put a little white line on them to give them a shiny effect. Then after that was all done and dried, I put on a matte top coat on top. And today I actually used the Orly one because I forgot that I actually have a Heroine one, and I probably should have used that one. So any matte top coat will work. All of them are good. And that was it for this design. Super simple, super easy. I really like how it came out. And if you guys want to go see what the rest of my hand looks like, definitely head over to the Heroine NYC blog. Actually, I say that, but the picture was in the thumbnail. But yeah, definitely go check out the blog post if you want, and I will also have a post up on my website about this manicure very soon. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to y'all very soon. Bye!